let's talk about product rule and quotient rule, okay? So, well, okay, let me talk about like, big picture of like this course, okay? So I'm gonna introduce like three different rules. The first one is product rule. The second one is quotient rule, okay? And then we're gonna talk about chain rule, okay? And without these three rules, there's no way to pass this course, okay? So you cannot skip any single thing from this point, but you have to catch up everything and practice as much as possible. That's a really important tip for like this course, okay? So let's talk about product, okay? What is product, okay? First of all, you have to look at the function. Look at that. fx times g of x, right? Two function is multiplied, right? Which means product form, okay? Once you find the like product form, then if you have to take the derivative, then we have to follow this rule, okay? And well, all this rule came from the definition of the derivative, okay, which is limit h goes to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x over h, okay? We can derive all these things from the definition, but like we're gonna skip that part, okay? But now, like we're gonna try to memorize this one, and we will try to use this one, okay, with the practice, okay? So look at that. F times g prime. Then the first function f prime times g plus first function, the original one without any change, times your second part prime. Does it make sense? Okay. So well, like during the like class, I'm gonna try to use u and v instead of f and g. Does it make sense? So like what I want to do is, here we go. If your function is u times v, I mean the product form. Okay, let me write that as a function form. So I'm saying first function u times second function v, okay? Then f prime x is equal to first one prime times second function plus first one times second prime, okay? Well, like it could be a little bit different order with your previous study or your textbook, okay? But like, I believe this is like better order than the textbook because like, like it is easy to remember like your product with like quotient, right? Because like if you use like this way, it will be in the same order with the quotient, okay? That's why I'm gonna teach you like this way, okay? So this is product rule. Now let me show you how we can apply this rule like for the problem, okay? Look at that. Your function y is given by this way. As you can see here, two functions are multiplied, right? So here we go. So like for this course, let me try to use different color for each function, okay? So like this part is the first function. Let's say it is function u, okay? And then the other part, this part is second part, okay? They are producted, right? Let's say it is v, okay? So well, like I really don't want to see like any mistake from you. That's why I'm going to show you like really easy way to check your mistake, okay? So named puzzle, okay? So well, now I'm going to do like a 4-piece puzzle. That's a really simple puzzle, right? So let me show you here, okay? Here we go. So once you, like whenever you take the derivative, y prime, right? Let me use different color. Y prime, in a Leibniz form, it is dy dx, right? Is equal to, as I mentioned like in the like previous one, first function prime times second function, okay? And then plus first function times second function prime. Does it make sense? Okay? So now like we're going to do this puzzle. This is puzzle with 4 pieces, right? U prime, v, u, and v prime. Okay? So now we have to figure out like 4 pieces like for this puzzle, right? And u and v is given, then we have to find u prime and v prime, then do the puzzle. Does it make sense? So like let me rewrite your u, okay? My u is okay on this side, okay? U is x cubed minus x squared minus 2x plus 1, right? Then u prime is easy. We practice this a lot, right? And it is 3x, 3 minus 1, which is 2, and minus 2x to the 2 minus 1, which is 1, and minus 2x prime is 2, and constant prime equal to 0. We found like second piece, right? What is my third one? Let me use different color. V is given 5x to 4 minus 20x cubed plus 5x plus 3. then it's really easy to find v prime, right? Which is 5 times 4, which is 20x 4 minus 1, which is 3, minus 60x squared plus 5, and constant prime equals 0. Here we go. We have 4 pieces for this puzzle. Okay. Now plug in all these pieces into my puzzle. Okay. Here we go. It is equal to u prime. There we go. 3x squared minus 2x minus 2 times v, right there, 5x to the 4 minus 20x cubed plus 5x plus 3, and it will be combined by plus because we are talking about the product, okay? And then, like the old one, u, right? U is here. X cubed minus x squared minus 2x plus 1, and the very last piece, v prime, which is 20x cubed minus 60x squared plus 5. That's it. This long one is the answer, okay? So, well, like on your web assignment and on this course, like we do not have any issue with the simplifying. So like you can live with this form. Then we will say it is correct answer, okay?